So उसके बाद आपने you joined Four Kumaon Regiment,
Then
one of
I,
the
of
most
course, I was
decorated
commissioned into Fort
regiments.
Kumaon, and Fort Kumaon is one of the oldest battalions,
yeah.
raised in 1788.
Right.
And first Paramveer Chakra is
Major
Fort
Somnath
Kumaon,
Sharma.
Major Somnath Sharma,
Right.
who got it on the 3rd of November 1947 for Badgam. That is the place that we finally held on to, which,
Right.
the result of which the entire valley is with us today. His both brothers, younger brothers, are still very much there.
Okay.
And one of them has crossed 100, and the other one is touching 98. So the 198 was the chief of the army staff, and the one who's now 102 or touching 103 was the a lieutenant general and retired as the engineer in chief. So you can well imagine, and ramrod,
Yeah.
they stand straight, they can still dance with you, and they can remember every incident from 1930 till date. Such sharp memories. And their brother got the first Paramveer Chakra, and their father was also a general, a doctor. Their sister was also a doctor in the army, and their sister's husband was also in the army, a general. So they're all Himachalis,
Right.
and I think the family's done us all proud. And we in Fort Kumaon take pride that we had Major Somnath Sharma, the first Paramveer Chakra, and the battalion in itself. अगर आप ऐसी पलटन में आएंगे तो आपको खुद ही that motivated, you will be motivated to put in your best,
Right.
because you have to live up to
That
the
legacy.
expectations.
Yeah.
And जो जवान है और पलटन के अंदर वही आपको आपका मनोबल ऊंचा करते हैं. अगर वो इतने अच्छे हैं तो आपको उनसे अच्छा थोड़ा तो होना ही पड़ेगा.
जी.
अगर आप उनके बराबर भी हो जाए तो भी आप जो पाना चाहते हैं जिंदगी में आप पालेंगे. तो उस तरह के जवान, उस तरह के जेसीओज, उस तरह के अफसर अगर आपको पलटन के अंदर मिलेंगे तो योर लाइफ इज मेड.
राइट.
एब्सोल्युटली मेड. मतलब नोबडी कैन स्टॉप यू फ्रॉम, as long as you're sincere, you're honest, you're dedicated, you're committed, and you have no hidden agenda, you will do very well. And there's no profession better than the army.
Right, sir.
No profession better than the army. Because अग्निवीर के लिए मैं सबको बोलता हूँ, सरकार ने मौका दिया है 4 साल का, वो इस्तेमाल करो. It will transform. Pawan, you only told me you also wanted to join the army. So you can know your family is all army.
Yeah.
So that is what it is. Yeah, it's fantastic, no doubt about it.
So army has a very particular way of welcoming families जब शादी करके आते हैं. तो आपका कोई ऐसा इंसिडेंट आपको याद है जब आप when you got married, ma'am came with you to Paltan? How was you welcomed in the Paltan?
See, firstly I got married very late, yeah. Okay. So I was quite if you are married young, then of course, but I'm sure the youngsters didn't leave my wife. And that's a very healthy introduction to the this thing, how it is done. And we were in Ranikhet. And in Ranikhet, a place that we were a little more towards Gingari Khal, where you find leopards.
Yeah.
And
I've seen that
all
place,
these
yeah.
leopards. And they could be well outside, आपके दरवाजे के बाहर ही होंगे.
आते हैं.
Roaring away. My wife was so scared. She said, what is all this? I said, this is what life is all about. And you know that you're part of the Kumaon family, you will be able to live with it. But then, fantastic. I'm telling you, the life in itself in the army, where Basha में रहते हैं. Basha मतलब self-made. वहाँ पे every battalion comes and makes theirs, and by the time they leave behind their assets, and the battalion coming in takes over. So it's in field area or whatever little this thing. It's a fantastic life, unbelievable, with the kind of people you meet while in service. Super. You have to experience it to know what I'm saying.
Right.
ये नहीं कि क्योंकि मैं फौज में हूँ था इसलिए मैं फौज की बढ़ाई करूँ, ऐसे नहीं
जी.
जेन्युइनली. और आज की दौर में जिस तरह की asymmetric warfare है, the kind of warfare that lots of exercises take place, a lot of training takes place, everybody has to be on the same grid, everybody has to get themselves adapted to new technology, चाहे वो cyber है, चाहे artificial intelligence है, चाहे आपके drones हैं. So there's a lot of training on simulators. So everybody is working, and that is why you find कि Operation Sindoor में वो जो कामयाबी मिली, it is only because you work as a team.
Right.
And team means together everybody achieves more. It's team. So the teamwork and nobody, कोई बड़ा नहीं कोई छोटा नहीं, everybody has a role to play,
Right.
and everybody is friends, you know, with
Hmm.
everybody, and that is what matters the most. मैं आपको एक वाक्य बताता हूँ कि I was in a place called Turtu, and वहाँ पे Turtuk is a place which is part of Baltistan.
Okay.
And we had captured it in 1971, and we went a little later. This is 80s की बात है ये. वहाँ पे पाकिस्तानी पोस्ट था, they were on a height and we were नीचे, और उस साल थोड़ी बर्फ कम गिरी तो पानी का थोड़ा सा परेशानी हुई, तो 3 झरने थे. जो सबसे ऊपर वाला झरना पाकिस्तान ऊपर से आकर के पानी लेते थे, बीच वाले झरना दोपहर 12 बजे तक वो लेते थे, और दोपहर के बाद फिर हम जाकर के वहाँ से पानी लेते थे, और सबसे जो नीचे वाला झरना था वो हमारा था, हम वहाँ से. तो उस साल ऊपर वाला झरना सूख गया, बीच वाला भी सूख गया, और सबसे नीचे वाले में वो टप 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 पानी आता रहता था. तो मैंने 200 लीटर का एक बैरल लगा रखा था, तो पूरे रात भर में भर के हम लोग जो इतने पोस्ट में रहते थे उनका खाना पीना आराम से हो जाता. तो ऊपर जो था उनको पानी की किल्लत हुई, तो वहाँ से वो चिल्लाते थे साथी साथी करके. ये हमें, मैं कहा अपने जीसू को, मैं कहा क्या क्यों चिल्ला रहे हैं, क्या हो गया है देखो. तो वो कहे कि साहब हमारे पास पानी नहीं है, हमको पानी चाहिए. हमने कहा पानी चाहिए तो पानी तो ठीक है, पर आप अपने अफसर को भेजिए. तो आपको आश्चर्य होगा, वो जब नीचे आया, वो उसकी आंख में बलूची था, एंड आई मेड हिम सिट, जैसे आप बैठे हैं मेरे सामने, बिल्कुल बिठाया. मैं जेब में टॉफीज थी, मैंने उसको टॉफीज दी, मैं कहा आप खाइए साहब. बोले साहब यही फर्क है, हमारे यहाँ पानी नहीं है, अब मैं भागा दौड़ी कर रहा हूँ, यहाँ पे आप हैं, आपके कारण सबको पानी मिल रहा है, आपके अफसर जवानों के साथ रहते हैं, हमारा अफसर है ही नहीं, यही परेशानी है, इसलिए मुझे आना पड़ रहा है. 3 दिन से मैं आटा गूंद नहीं पा रहा हूँ, आज में से रहा नहीं गया.
That's the difference
इसलिए
between
मैं
Indian Army and Pakistani
इंडियन आर्मी
Army.
एंड पाकिस्तान. कहते सर मैं बलूची हूँ, अब ये हालत है मेरी, मेरे अफसर ही नहीं. मैं, उन्होंने मुझे वो छोड़ दिया कि आप साहब संभालें. मैं कैसे संभालूं, पानी नहीं है. तो मैं इसलिए नीचे आया हूँ आपसे गुजारिश करने के लिए कि मुझे पानी चाहिए. ये हालत. So this is the difference between the Indian Army and all the armies in the world.
Right.
You have to lead from the front. You have to be a part of them, and then it's the world.